Go Coffee's new guide recommends SterlingPro's French press for a non-toxic coffee maker. The guide advises that you purchase coffee makers that are completely plastic-free in order to avoid ingesting BPA. The SterlingPro's French press is made entirely of stainless steel. It is also built with a unique double-walled design, which allows for the coffee to stay warm longer. The product's ergonomic design ensures the coffee maker is easy to press, making it safer for you to use. Go to the link in the description to learn more.